Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, April 22, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, April 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 22, 2025 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, April 22, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for April 22, 2025, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, April 22, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.